In today's video, I'm going to teach you 3 ways to get Microsoft Outlook for free. Now, whether you're an individual user managing your personal emails or a professional keeping tabs on multiple work communications, having free access to Outlook can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in and explore these simple methods together. First, let's discuss how you can access Outlook online without spending a dime. To start, you'll want to visit office.com. This is your one-stop destination for Microsoft's suite of online tools. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your Microsoft account. Don't have one yet? No worries. You can create a free account on the spot. Once logged in, look for Outlook in the App Launcher or under the All Apps section. With just a few clicks, you have free access to Outlook's online version, offering full functionality for email and calendar management right from your browser. It's a seamless experience both from home or on the go, perfect for anyone who moves between devices frequently. Next up, let's explore the convenience of using Outlook on your mobile device. Start by heading to your device's App Store. That's the Google Play Store for Android users and the App Store if you're on iOS. Simply search for MS Outlook. You'll find the app readily available. Just download and install it as you would with any other app. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your Microsoft account. If you're new to Microsoft's ecosystem, you can create an account directly from the app. The mobile version of Outlook is fantastic because it keeps your email and calendar at your fingertips, offering all those key features we love for free. It's a great way to stay connected and organized no matter where you are. Finally, let's talk about using the new Outlook app for Windows. This is an excellent option if you prefer a desktop experience, but without the cost. Start by visiting the Microsoft Store on your Windows device. There, you can download the new Outlook app. This latest iteration boasts a modern interface and provides a user experience akin to the online version, rich with features and free to use. It's ideal for those who want a dedicated desktop application with both email and calendar capabilities. Plus, it integrates smoothly with Windows, offering all the organizational tools you need without frills. And there you have it. 3 straightforward ways to get Microsoft Outlook for free, whether you're online, on your mobile device, or on a Windows desktop. These methods ensure that emails and calendars are easily accessible and managed without breaking the bank. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now equipped with the information you need to use Outlook without any cost. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to stick around for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and enjoy your newfound Outlook access.